Alpha. I have a diver down. Keep well clear at slow speed. Bravo. I am taking in, discharging, or carrying dangerous cargo. Charlie. Yes or affirmative? Delta. I am maneuvering with difficulty, keep clear. Echo. I am altering my course to starboard. Foxtrot. I am disabled, communicate with me. Golf. I require a pilot. When made by fishing vessels operating in close proximity on the fishing grounds, it means, I am hauling nets. Hotel. I have a pilot on board. India. I am altering my course to port. Juliet. I am on fire and have dangerous cargo. Keep well clear of me, or I am leaking dangerous cargo. Kilo. I wish to communicate with you. Lima. You should stop your vessel immediately. Mike. My vessel is stopped and making no way through the water. November. No or negative? Oscar. Man overboard. Papa. In port, all personnel return to ship. The vessel is about to proceed to sea. At sea, it may be used by fishing vessels to mean, my nets have come fast upon an obstruction. Quebec. My vessel is healthy. I request free pratique. Romeo. None. International. Sierra. Moving astern. Tango. Keep clear, engaged in trawling. Uniform. You are running into danger. Victa. I require assistance. Whiskey. Require medical assistance. X-ray. Stop carrying out your intentions and watch for my signals. Yankee. I am dragging anchor. Zulu. I require a tug. Code answer. Message is understood. Also a numeric decimal point. First substitute. First repeater substitute for the first flag in this hoist. International, also repeats the first flag or series of flags in this hoist. Second substitute. Substitute for the second flag in this hoist. Third substitute. Substitute for the third flag in this hoist. Fourth substitute. None, international. One. Two. Three. Fowler. Fife. Six. Seven. Eight. Niner. Zero.